guys, today we'll be making an adorable Christmas curly deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a wreath ring, I have red and white deco mesh, Chanel stems, and scissors. All items can be purchased at Dollar Tree. Alright, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is cut our deco mesh into 8-inch long pieces. And you have two options. You can either make your bundles with solid white and solid red, or you can mix in the colors, 2 white and 1 red, or 2 red and 1 white. So I decided to go with mixing in the red and the white, just because it's going to make a cute, fun, peppermint inspired deco mesh wreath. So I'm going to take my mesh, roll it at a cute little curl, take another piece, roll it at a curl as well, and one more piece. And I'm going to crisscross one piece on top of the other so that all 3 pieces are visible. I'm going to scrunch it in the center, take half of a Chanel stem, and twist it a couple of times just to make sure it's nice and secure. And that looks so cute and precious. I'm going to repeat the same steps, except I'm going to alternate the colors. So the first time I used 2 red and 1 white. This next time I'm going to use 2 white and 1 red. And I'm going to repeat the same step. Curling my mesh, crossing them one on top of the other, scrunch it in the center, take half of a Chanel stem and twist it around my bundle a couple of times. Alright, so I'm going to get all of my bundles made and we'll start placing them on our wreath. And I did decide to only use 3 pieces of mesh in each bundle. You can definitely use more if you choose to do so. And you can also roll the mesh at a diagonal instead of a curl. The possibilities are endless. Alright, so here are all of my bundles. Like I said, I have some with 2 red and 1 white and some with 2 white and 1 red. You can have a solid red bundle, a solid white bundle, and alternate if you choose to do so. So to place them on the ring, I'm going to use the center 2 rings. Take my bundle, place it on the center 2 rings, and twist it a couple of times. And then tuck away the Chanel stem. Take my next bundle, place it on the rings, and twist it a couple of times. And I'm alternating the bundles as I place them. So I'm going to have a predominantly red bundle, and then a predominantly white bundle, and then a predominantly red bundle, and then a predominantly white, and so forth and so on, alternating the bundle colors. So I decided to go with 5 bundles in each of my 6 sections for a total of 30 bundles. You can definitely place 6 or 7 bundles in each section. It just depends on how poofy you want your wreath. But 30 bundles makes a pretty decent sized wreath. So I'm going to get the rest of my bundles placed and show you the finished product. So cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the colors, the style, add in any additional embellishments you like, add an adorable sign to the center, whatever you prefer. Just have fun with it and make it your own. All items can be purchased at Dollar Tree, so you can make this entire wreath for less than $10. So cute.